Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the features of the Portal Oversized Folding Rocking Camping Chair, a high-back outdoor rocker that's perfect for your lawn, patio, or any outdoor adventure. This chair is designed with an oversized seat that can support up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for solo relaxation or sharing a cozy moment with your kids. With a 29-inch high padded backrest, it offers full support for your shoulders and head, ensuring maximum comfort while you unwind. The chair is built with a sturdy, thickened steel frame and high-density polyester, featuring hard armrests for easy access and exit, so you can trust its durability as you embrace the outdoors. One of its standout features is the easy folding mechanism, which takes just 10 seconds to master, allowing you to pack it into a compact bundle for effortless transport. It also includes convenient pockets and a cup holder, making it perfect for camping, concerts, or simply enjoying your backyard. Remember, the user manual is sewn under the seat, so be sure to check it out before assembly to make the most of your new favorite outdoor companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.